In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your digital Medicaid ID card. So first and foremost, you need to make sure that you go to the Medicaid or health plan website. So let's say, for example, you're using something like Antenna or Better Health of New Jersey. All of those are under the umbrella of Medicaid. Or if you're using something like Anthem, that is still going to be part of Medicaid. So you need to know what your actual insurance plan is. So let's say you're working with Anthem, that is perfectly fine. What you need to do is you need to install the app that is compatible with your health plan. So if we're using Anthem, we need to download the app specifically for that. And it's a little bit confusing, so sometimes it's not always as straightforward. That's what I really don't like about insurance. But you could use any web browser and then look up your health plan followed by Medicaid app, and then it's going to let you know over here. So for this example, the app we need to install is Sydney Health. So let's go ahead and do that. And then you need to press on open. So if you already made an account before, you can just go ahead and log in, or you could press on this button over here that says register new account. So then you need to go ahead and select on Medicaid right here, and then select on your state. And then afterwards, it is going to ask you to scan your member ID. So please go ahead and do that. And then once you're done with that, that is going to allow you to create your account. And once you have your account, then all you need to do is you need to go ahead and log in. So typically when you create an account, it's going to ask you to do some verification. So you will need to take a picture of the actual physical card itself in order to get access to the digital card. So that's always something to keep in mind. All right, so then the app is going to look like this. And then you just want to go to this top menu, press on ID cards, or you can select on menu. So this process is going to look a little bit different depending on what app you're using. But then we could use like ID card, and then it's going to let you know. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.